And this will be a test just for the heck of it to see how the video works this way and looks differently. Chanel, all the way down, Ralph Lauren, Cartier. I don't think that's the new Cartier's shop. This is David Yurman. We're looking all the way back down Rodeo. There's the official flagship Cartier with the Jaguar that goes all the way around to the front, which is super cool. Hublot, more things down, Chanel. Just a little walk down Rodeo Drive. This is the second part. Again, Christmas time here, so the Christmas lights are up, but it doesn't appear Rodeo Drive does really Christmas windows, or maybe they just haven't done it yet because it's prior to Thanksgiving, maybe after Thanksgiving. Here's Louis, the big Louis Vuitton, LV. There's a nice little frame shop for LV. The store's not quite open yet. Ralph Lauren, Panerai, Stuart Weitzman, Philip Plein is coming up, Maximera, Zegna, Alexander McQueen, Ramova just moved down here also. To this end, here's Giorgio Armani, and Bijon is somewhere up here. Oh yeah, Bijon. So here's Armani. Bijon, the reason I didn't notice Bijon is it usually has the cars out front. He's usually got the yellow Rolls Royce and other cars sitting out there. And so that little jump was me adjusting my backpack. And as we finish up here, I'm not gonna go all the way. Polo, my offices are up here actually to the right. So if I do go to my office, which is not very often anymore, this is the walk I will sometimes do, just because not only is it a nice walk, I randomly run into people I know that may be in town or shopping or just out and about. So kind of fun. Celine and Saint Laurent, Piaget, Ramova, again, all the way down Rodeo Drive. And I'm not gonna go across to this. Actually, maybe I will, just for the heck of it. It's early enough for my walk. And so what a lot of people see that's also famous is it's gonna be down here a little ways, but I'll walk across and catch it. My office is down there to the right, that white building. And directly across from the office, other than the famous Rodeo Drive, I guess this is a favorite shop for many. That's Louis Vuitton. What we do have here is the Beverly Hills sign. And I don't think there's not a, LA is weird, there's not an actual sidewalk. So I'm gonna walk up here through the parking. If you're still with me, great. You can kind of get a good idea as we come up here. This is the Beverly Hills Park.